Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing or a Little Bit of Something, and today's video is a TEMU haul. Now, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. It will not cost you a thing. We are almost to 500 subscribers. I would appreciate it so much if you would subscribe. I'm thinking of maybe making a subscriber name. If I reach 500, I don't know. Maybe. We'll see, you guys. I appreciate everyone who subscribes, and I also appreciate everyone who thumbs up the video and comments. I really appreciate that. And so make sure you comment, make sure you thumbs up the video, because if you thumbs it up, more people get to see the video. Like I said, this is a TEMU haul. It's actually a TEMU travel supplies haul that I wanted to share with you guys. So we're gonna do kind of a price comparison here and there on some of these products. I kind of flipped between Amazon and TEMU just to see which one was the better deal. So TEMU did win out several times, so just so you know, and that's why this is a TEMU haul. My husband and I are going on a trip later this summer, late this summer, so I have been slowly getting things that we need here and there, and TEMU has been the place to be. First items I want to talk about are these waterproof cases for phones. So yeah, I found these on TEMU. I also found these exact same ones on Amazon. And these are just so my husband and I, when we're on the beach or we're at the pool or something like that, we can make sure that our phones do not get wet. These are a good size. Our phones will fit in these with no issue whatsoever. Do come with a strap, so you can put it around your neck. These are so handy. On Amazon, they were $9.99. So, yeah, they were a bit cheaper, not a whole lot cheaper, but a bit cheaper on TEMU. Okay, I also bought this makeup pouch. It's actually a makeup brush holder. On Amazon, these silicone brush holders were $11.99, the same exact one, and you just put your makeup brushes in there. And it holds them together. So I don't know how many you can fit in exactly. I'm going to test it out, you guys, and let you know. But yeah, I was thinking this was going to be a little more of a peach color. It's actually more of a brown color, so that's not a deal breaker for me. I'm still going to use it. But they came in a couple of different colors, so it's just a way to keep your makeup brushes together. This small jewelry box, you can find these at Walmart. You can also find them at Target, and of course on Amazon. On Amazon, they were $7.99, and so they were a little bit cheaper on TEMU. But yeah, it's just made to hold your jewelry together. So you can put your earrings, bracelets, you can put rings, things like that in it. I think you can also take this out, or maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe you can't. So yeah, this is just a simple box to hold all your jewelry in. I do not plan on bringing a lot of jewelry when I'm traveling, but what I do bring, I'll know exactly where it is. You can also use a plastic baggie to carry your jewelry in. I've done that many times, but this time I just kind of wanted to try something else out, and for the price, I was like, why not? I can reuse this over and over again. And I bought 2 of these pill box holders, and this is just to carry any type of medication with us. 8 compartments. On Amazon, this same pill box holder is $4.99. So it wasn't a huge price difference with TEMU. So they come in different colors. Like I said, I did get 2, one for me, one for my husband. And yeah, I don't plan on bringing a whole lot. I do take an allergy pill every day, my Claritin, and then any little supplements that I have. My husband also takes supplements. Also, we can bring like aspirin and stuff like that in here. So yeah, this is great to have. I bought this perfume atomizer. How do you say that, you guys? It's basically where you can transport your perfume. So there is something that allows you to get your perfume from your bottle into this bottle. I already have one. My friend had bought me one a few years ago with the Christmas gift. So you can get the ones that come with that device through TEMU, also through Amazon, but I did not purchase that, so just so y'all know. But I'll put the price on the screen. But this is so cute. I bought this multi-patch. I bought this multi-pouch travel pouch, and this is just to carry all my makeup in. I was gonna get a different makeup bag holder or a makeup bag in general, but I just decided to go for this one because it was a little cheaper and it seemed more my style. It just seemed more up my alley. And this is pretty basic, and it has a place for makeup brushes and other types of makeup if you want to put them in there. And it does have Velcro so it can stick right in the inside. Has a couple pouches over here, and has a big pocket area here that you can dump your stuff in. So dump your stuff in, you know what I mean. I love the colors, I love the design. So yeah, this is just a very simple makeup pouch, and I bought these are cord holders, and this is a pack of 5, and they come in different colors, and you can also buy these on Amazon. But they are just a good way to keep your cords organized while you are traveling. So this will probably be something that I have in my personal item, just to, when I'm flying and everything, just to keep my cords, my chargers and stuff together. And I bought my husband some packing cubes. He did not have any. I'm not going to open this up all the way. I think it's a 5-pack of packing cubes, and it is in a navy blue color. I'll let him open it up whenever he gets ready to. These are great for organization. If you've never used packing cubes, I definitely encourage you to, because they just make things a lot simpler, especially once you get to your destination. You know where everything should be. I also bought these bags for footwear. So shoes. These are just, I bought 2 of them, one for me, one for my husband. These are mainly for any type of shoes that maybe we wear on our trip, and maybe we get dirt or sand or something like that in our shoes, and we don't want those on our clothes when we're traveling back, or traveling there. If there's some shoes that we want to keep nice and pristine on the way there, these are great for that. So they're not super big, so I don't encourage you to like maybe put some sort of high heel or something like that in there, but if you think you can fit it in there, then go ahead. It does expand out some, as you guys can see. Try to make it work here, but yeah, they're not for really bulky shoes, so be mindful of that. I didn't see any type of size difference, like, you know, large, extra large, or anything like that. I think it's one size, and that's all you get, but I think it does come in different colors. And finally, I want to mention this chest strap camera thing. It's just pretty much, I'm not gonna take all of this stuff out of this packaging, because then I gotta put it back in. But it's pretty much almost like GoPro type stuff that you can put on your body to secure your phone or to secure your camera. If you are doing something that is action in any way and you need all of your hands for those activities, this is great for that. I'll put a better picture on the screen, and also the price, so you guys can see it. I don't know how well this is going to work. It was pretty cheap, so I don't know how well it's gonna work or hold up, but I'm looking forward to using it and trying it, just in case we decide to do any activities while we are there, so I can have my hands free, or my husband can have his hands free. That would be nice. So that is my TEMU travel haul video. Let me know if you guys have purchased any of these items from TEMU, and how did that go for you guys. Also, make sure you thumbs up the video so other people can see the video, and subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you next time, and watch my other TEMU haul video as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.